If this is kind of bad news for the mining industry, because if this happens, if this absolutely happens, the Bitcoin value is going to drop. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech, and I have some tech breaking news. The IRS wants to find someone or an organization or some sort of company that can crack the Bitcoin transaction saga. They're giving away $625,000 to a contractor that can do such a thing. This is incredible. I can't believe it. They are so upset that they can't trace Bitcoin transactions. This is out of control. Now the government is issuing a $625,000 grant to someone who can actually do cipher tracing and digital manipulation and all kinds. This is crazy. This is Monero transactions. They can't trace it. This is unbelievable. I woke up this morning, I go, holy shit, I can't believe it. The IRS is giving away $625,000. This is out of control. So I just want to read a little blurb here. The IRS is seeking a solution with one or more contractors to provide innovative solutions for tracing of privacy coins, such as expert tools, data, source code, algorithms, and software development services. I can't believe it. This just hit just a few hours ago, and the blockchain analytics from Cipher Chaining claims have a new tool that can trace Monero transactions, although the capabilities are yet to be confirmed. So this is like I'm like blown away, because I used to mine coins a long time ago. It never really amounted to anything, because it just, back in the day when it first started, I should have kept it, because I probably would have had 5 or 6 Bitcoin by now. But dude, or everybody, if this is kind of bad news for the mining industry, because if this happens, if this absolutely happens, the Bitcoin value is going to drop, because now it's traceable, you have to pay tax on it, and that is what they're trying to do. They're trying to make the Bitcoin taxable, which at the current moment it is invisible to the IRS, and that is why they're offering a $625,000 bounty on an organization that can do such a thing and find a traceable way of tracking all Bitcoin transactions. So, that said, I'm sure you're all pissed off now, and I understand why, but it is what it is. And I just want to get this tech news out there as soon as physically possible. I woke up and I saw this and I go, holy shit, I got to do tech news. And I did. So now you're aware. Now, if you have Bitcoin and this is happening, I may suggest if it goes up any higher, sell it. Because then at least you'll make some money on it, and you have the ability to not have to worry about paying taxes on it. Hopefully they will not have a back date on it. So that is my worry, a backdate. So anytime after September 11th, 2020, you have to pay taxes, and they can prove it. So this is scary news as well as information. This is wacky. So anyway, guys, I hope I was able to help you out on this, and do what you got to do with your Bitcoin. See ya. Because I don't know how to end this part. But if you like it, give me a thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next Tech News. See ya.